Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore Defaults. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.